The sound in the walls. I was house-sitting for my grandmother, a sprawling, empty farmhouse miles from the nearest town. On the third night, a sound began, a faint, persistent scratching coming from inside the walls of my bedroom. I tried to ignore it, rationalizing it as a mouse, but the sound was too deliberate, too rhythmic, like someone dragging a fingernail repeatedly across plaster. I banged on the wall, and the scratching stopped instantly. When I lay back down, it resumed, inches from where my head rested. The next morning, I called an exterminator. He found nothing, no entry points, no droppings, not even an old nest. He assured me it was just the house settling. That night, the scratching returned, but this time, it was accompanied by something new. A soft, almost imperceptible whispering. I pressed my ear to the cold drywall. The whispering grew clearer, not quite words, but a rapid, wet, gasping sound, immediately followed by the rhythmic scratch, scratch, scratch of the nail. Terrified, I spent the night huddled in the hallway. In the morning, I decided I'd had enough. I grabbed a hammer and smashed a hole into the plaster where the noise was loudest. The heavy chunk of wall fell away, and I peered into the dusty cavity. There was no creature, no mold, just a small, ancient wooden box, sealed with rusty nails. As I reached for it, a new scratching sound started, not from the box, but from the inside of my closet door, followed by a low, distinctly human giggle. I dropped the hammer and ran, never looking back.